How to set MPEG NR on SKYWORTH TV. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. On your remote, press the gear icon. And here in settings, on the upper right side on your screen, go to gear icon or settings. Here in settings, go to display and sounds. And display and sounds, go to picture. In picture, below, okay, you can see here the advanced settings. Go to this. In advanced settings, you can see here the MPEG NR. And the MPEG NR is set into medium. So if you want to change this or set this, go to this and you can see here the option. You can set the MPEG NR into off, low, medium, or high. So for example, I set into low. The MPEG NR on SKYWORTH TV. If this helpful, like, subscribe, and see you for my next video.